Hello, glad to have you join us once again on the 3-day weather forecast. On Wednesday, we expect generally sunny conditions to prevail over the northern parts of the country in good horizontal visibility, while the central parts of the country down to the south are expected to be generally cloudy with intervals of sunshine. Maximum temperatures are expected to reach highest values at 38 degrees Celsius over Yola and 37 over Jalingo in Taraba State, while other places like Maiduguri are expected to report temperatures of 35 degrees Celsius as well as Potiskum. We expect Sokoto to report 37 degrees Celsius, and over the southern parts of the country, Port Harcourt is expected to report 31 degrees Celsius, just in the central parts of the country. For our air quality forecast, because of the presence of dust in the atmosphere, even though horizontal visibility looks fine, the atmosphere is still considered generally unhealthy for most persons across Nigeria, particularly for sensitive group of persons. By Wednesday, we expect the northern parts of the country to remain sunny and generally hazy in good horizontal visibility, while the central and southern parts of the country are expected to be generally partly cloudy. Temperatures are expected to increase slightly on Wednesday and reach 38 degrees Celsius over Yola and also 37 over Jalingo areas. The temperatures over the central parts of the country, talking of Lokoja and Makurdi, are also expected to increase slightly to 38 degrees Celsius and Sokoto 36 degrees Celsius. Over the southern parts of the country, Benin is expected to be 34 degrees Celsius, Warri at 36, and Port Harcourt at 32 degrees Celsius. For air quality forecast on this day, we still expect the quality of air across Nigeria to be poor, particularly in areas that appear in red and also purple, where the atmosphere over this area is considered very unhealthy generally for all persons. By Thursday, the northern parts of the country are expected to be generally sunny in dust haze, and horizontal visibility is expected to be slightly impaired in one or two places locally. We expect weather over the central parts of the country down to the southern parts to be generally partly cloudy in good horizontal visibility. Temperatures are expected to remain as high as 38 degrees Celsius over Lokoja and Makurdi areas, and also 38 degrees Celsius over Jalingo. Maiduguri is expected to drop slightly to 34 degrees Celsius, while Port Harcourt is also expected to report temperatures of 34 degrees Celsius and Warri. We expect temperatures over Lagos areas to be 36 degrees Celsius and Oyo State, Ibadan, to be 35 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast on this day, the conditions in the atmosphere are still not favorable for good air quality across Nigeria, and so poor air quality is still expected to prevail over most parts of the country, with the sensitive groups highly threatened by the presence of these aerosols in the atmosphere. This is where we'll conclude our 3 days weather forecast. Thanks for watching, and see you again.